Today we're gonna build and backtest a strategy taken from the market accurate YouTube channel video called Newswing Indicator with 100% profitable signals. Will it really be 100% profitable? Let's dive into it. A big shout out to Nairanjan for suggesting this strategy on Discord. If you want to suggest some strategies that you find on the internet or some others in your mind, you can join our community on Discord. You are truly welcome. Now, let's get straight into the strategy. The strategy uses 2 different indicators and 3 different rules. We will combine them using our strategy builder, a powerful tool that allows us to build and backtest strategies without coding. Let's load our indicators into the chart. The first indicator is the Trend Vista by Juicy Trading. The second indicator will be the BB trend. Opening our Trend Vista settings, we will change the BB length to 40 and the ATR length to 15. Then we will change the settings in the BB trend. Short BB length we will set 23, whereas long we will set 143. And the standard deviation we will set 3. And we are good to go. These are the 2 indicators that we will use in order to generate our entry signals. So the entry rules are absolutely simple. We will enter in a long position whenever we have a buy signals from the Trend Vista indicator and our BB trend shows a green histogram bar, so basically is above 0. Whereas for a short position we need the sell signals from the Trend Vista swing indicator and the BB trend shows a red histogram bar, so it's below 0. Here we have a valid long entry signal because we have a buy signal and a confirmation from the BB trend, and this is a valid short entry signal because we have a sell signal and a confirmation from the BB trend. Then the third and last rule is that for a long position we need a green candle, whereas for a short position we need a red candle. This is a valid long entry signal because we have all 3 conditions met at the same time. And here a valid short entry signal. Let's configure our strategy builder in order to generate these entry signals. By opening our strategy builder settings, we will select both in position side. Let's configure first our long entry signals. Here we will select Trend Vista swing indicator buy signals and here price equal. Then we need the confirmation from the BB trend indicator. Here in the oscillator settings, we turn on one signal, we will select BB trend and we want to be greater than 0 because as you can see, whenever the BB trend is above 0, it shows green histogram bars. And then the third and last rule is that we have a green candle. So a green candle basically is a candle that has the close greater than the open. So we turn on another long signal, we want the close to be greater than the open. And that's fine, we have just finished to configure the long entry signals. For short entry signals will be the same. We will select Trend Vista sell signals, price equal. In the short oscillator we want the BB trend to be below 0. Whereas we turn on another short signal, we want the close to be below the open. And that's fine. As you can see, in just 30 seconds, we have configured our entry signals, both for long and short positions. Let's check some trade on a chart. As you can see here, we have a valid long entry signal because we have a buy signal from the Trend Vista indicator, then we have a BB trend that is in green area, and we have a green candle. Whereas here we have a valid short entry signal, sell signal from the Trend Vista, BB trend in red area and a red candle. Here we have 2 false signals because the BB trend is in red area and we have a buy signal. And here we have a sell signal, red candle, but the BB trend is in green area. Now, in order to jump into backtest, we just need to configure the exit signals, and we will use the stop loss based on the ATR. In order to configure it, it's absolutely simple. We will open our strategy builder, we go in the stop loss section, and we'll select here stop loss ATR, a length of 14 and multiplier of 3. And we are good to go, our stop loss is set. Then we will select a take profit based on the risk reward of 1.4. Let's check some trade on a chart. As you can see here we have the ATR bands and our stop loss is exactly as the ATR level, whereas for a short position is exactly the same. So now that we are configured all our strategy, let's jump into backtest results. We are here on MKR USDT 1 hour time frame on Bybit exchange, position size $10,000 with fixed amount, 3x leverage, and we are backtesting with an initial capital of $10,000. As always, 0.06% commission. And as you can see, we have a really good equity line, 323% net profit, 173 total close trades, a 53 win rate, 1.58 profit factor, 31% max drawdown and 0.66% average trade. Net profit/drawdown 5.32, max win row 6 and max loss row 5. Expectancy 0.27, which is not so good, and a risk reward of 1.39. Average win 10%, average loss 7.25%. Monthly table shows different losing months, unfortunately, but overall we have a greater number of profitable months. By checking the buy and hold equity, we have greatly outperformed the buy and hold metric. But by the way, what I don't like about this backtest is the low expectancy value and the low risk reward. We have a good net profit, but overall I would have preferred a higher risk reward or at least a higher expectancy. And by the way, I like this strategy because of the equity shape, but I don't like so much the risk reward and the expectancy value. If you want to modify or optimize this strategy, you can find this strategy ready to use in our Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. You can get access by joining on Patreon, along with granting access to all our premium indicators, including our strategy builder.